Protect any electronic device from power surges spikes. Surge protector with 2 outlets protects your personal computer, laptop, printer, scanner, router, phone, fax, modem, television, lamp or any other home, office electronics from dangerous power surges, spikes, line noise. Premium surge protection with metal housing. This surge suppressor provides 8 widely spaced NEMA 515R outlets which are arranged in 4 exclusive isolated filter banks to limit noise interaction among connected equipment. The extra long 12-foot AC power cord acts like an extension cord to give you the flexibility to reach distant outlets, while its right-angle NEMA 515P flat plug allows furniture and equipment to be moved flush against the wall to save space. Safety first. High joule rating conforms to UL 1449 safety standards. Automatic shutoff cuts power to all outlets when the protection circuit has been compromised. Diagnostic LEDs confirm when you are grounded and protected at a glance. 1440 joules mean maximum protection for your equipment. Conforms to current UL 1449 3rd edition safety standards. Convenient options for placement in any environment. 8 feet AC power cord with NEMA 515P plug provides the ability to reach distant outlets. This multi-plug outlet offers keyhole slots on bottom panel for convenient wall mounting. Top reviews from the United States. A good one. I bought this surge protector for use with 2 desktops, computers and a phone line. We've been through several unannounced power shutoffs here in Northern California, as well as those that have a minimal amount of advanced notice. This far there hasn't been a hiccup in this surge protector. In addition, it has been in line when we have needed to use our Honda inverter generator with the same ongoing protection.